wave, wave, wave. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah.
I feel really good this it's evening right here. I feel really good. It's been a while I wore makeup, and after making this video I decided to just do makeup. And do I look good? I think I do. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my YouTube space. Welcome back to my community. I am so happy to have you back here. If you're not following me, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you're not doing me a favor, you're hurting my feelings. So go ahead and just hit the subscribe button. Trust me, it's absolutely free. I need to hit 1,000 now. Help me. Why are you guys being like this? It's just super easy. Just click the subscribe button. It's down there. It's just written in red. Click it. All this effort. Help me. It's not easy now. I trust you will do that. It won't cost you anything. So hit the subscribe button. Welcome back here. And I'm so happy to be alive. I'm so happy to be alive and healthy. I hope you're doing great where you are. This period, this pandemic season, this coronavirus thingy, we're going to overcome it by the special grace of Almighty God. Amen. Welcome back here. So guys, I created a video, a crochet braid video of this crochet braid right on my head. I wanted to see what it looked like. So this is the braids, the bob braids, spring, okay, is this spring twist? Bob twist, okay, bob twist, yes. This is handmade by me and my sister. We actually do these things at home for anyone that wants to crochet do their own crochet braids. So instead of you going to sit down for long hours in the salon, we just get this across to you and you just install on your hair. So this video, this tutorial is to show you how to install this crochet handmade bob twist crochet braid on your hair. So this is what it looks like, and this color looks so nice on my skin. I've always been afraid of wearing the color 27, but this doesn't look bad, does it? Look at, just look at how I look. Just check me out. I feel so good. So you can do it this way also. You can wear it this way. You can wear all to the back if you want to. So this hairstyle is to just give you ease and not to stress you. You can rock it to anywhere, trust me. And it is washable, it is reusable, and just lightweight, quite easy to rock. Don't I look fantabulous? I look fantabulous. Mr. Macaroni, I look fantabulous. Like somebody's tickling me here. Man, your hair is giving me so much joy. Look at it, look at it. Look at it. It's so cute. It's so cute. If you vote for this hair, please leave a comment below. So, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. Not the makeup, just the crochet braid. The video you're about to see right now will show you how I created this crochet braid look. Right here, I'm trying to count my braids. I think I have about 13 braids all to the back. So I'm applying my egg oil to help with the root of my hair, because I might not be able to do this after I've installed the hair. So this is the best chance I have to apply this oil on my scalp. So right here, I'm trying to weave the strands at the back. I'm taking them in threes to weave them together, so to be able to tuck it into my braid. You see what I'm talking about? So this is what I'm doing, taking 3 braids each, weave together, so that I can tuck it into my weaving at the long run, just before I start installing the crochet. So I'll be needing my crochet pin. That's what you can see. Yeah, I'm trying to now tuck the weaving. Yeah, the crochet pin has a hook where you can open and close. So you just open up and put through one of your weaving to tuck in your weaved or your matted strand. So because you have to do this to make the installation process easy. So I'm installing all the strands at the back into the weaving on my head. So that's what you can see. I don't know if you can see this, but that's what I'm doing actually. This took some time, but I'm almost done. If you're a crochet braid lover like me, leave a comment below. I'll give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, please go ahead and like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is the hair I'm installing. This is Handmade Bob twist by Layehair. This is what they look like. Each strand has about 40. Each pack has about 40 strands. So obviously I'm trying to cut the beautiful ribbon around the hair so that I can take it bit by bit to install on my head. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Kind of pretty. Then it has a loop. That's a loop. This loop enables you to pass the pin through and then through your hair to secure on your braids. That's actually how crochet braid works. You just need to create a loop, use it to pass through your weaving with your pin. After that is done, you secure, you just tie it down. That's what I'm doing to it. I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a closer look of how you can do this. I'll probably have to zoom this so you can see properly. So I'm still installing. This took me about 2 hours to install, less than 2 hours. I think less than 2 hours. I didn't really take track of time. Sorry, I forgot. But usually it's between 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours after you have braided your hair. Installation alone can take up to 2 hours. And when you're doing it by yourself, if you're not very fast, it will take longer time. But if you are, you can use exactly 2 hours or even less. So I didn't really waste much time installing this hair that day. It was pretty fast, like pretty fast. So this is another close look of what the braid looks like. It's kind of a loose braid, loose twisting, not very tight. That makes it really special actually. Then that's the loop, and then again your pin. Your pin has the open and close stuff, and then you put your pin, open up, pass it through your weaving, taking your braid and secure it. That's basically how it is. Crochet braid is quite simple. It's quite simple. There are lots of videos on crochet braid on YouTube. You can help yourself out by going to other YouTubers to actually also watch how they install their crochet braid. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow this channel, increase my community, and reach more people. Please tag the video, or rather share the video with your friends and family who might be interested in this. And also like the video, leave a comment below. If you want me to do any hairstyle, please leave a comment below and I'll look at it. So yeah, the process is still on. Installing, passing through, blah blah blah. It's just the same repeated process I'll be doing, and I'm going to take it round the hair. It's the same process. All I do rather is to use my hand to monitor the braids at the back,
I usually don't install my hair with a mirror most time because it gets me confused. So I just walk around my scalp, my head with my hands. I know the last place I was, I know the amount of space I should leave in between each braid. I use my hand like to walk around this. If you can work with your mirror, please go ahead and do that. I usually don't work with mirrors when I'm doing my crochet braid, except I'm trying to do a part or something really special. But during the installation process, I literally will just use my hands and try to trace where I was and where next I want to install or fix the braid. That's it. That's me for you, really. So keep watching. I hope you enjoy every bit of this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. It is free without charge. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and please hit the bell. The bell will tell you when next I make a video. It will notify you absolutely when next I make a video. So this is a close look of how to install your hair. I actually had to wait till I get to this point so I could show you guys properly how to pass through your braids into your weaving. It's quite simple. Open up your loop, pass your pin rather through your weaving. Take the piece of hair, close it, bring it out, use the hook again to collect the tip so you can pass it through the loop to tighten it. That's basically how the process is. That's very simple. It's something you can do at home, like all by yourself. If you can't make your weaving yourself, get somebody to do it. Open up your pin, pass through your weaving, collect the loop, bring out of your hair, collect the tip of the hair, pass through the loop to tighten the braid. That's it. So I'm trying to create a side part here. So I think this is the best part. So because I didn't really do the crisscross weaving here, I'm going to use a crochet braid to make a knot so I can close the pattern. I don't want it to be too long, too deep. So I'll use one crochet braid to close two weaving just to form my side parts. That's basically how I do it sometimes. If I want to close my parts, I don't want it to be too deep and too far inside, because when I'm styling my hair, I need the parts to look seamless. So I just take one braid, because the weaving on my hair is kind of close. Take one braid to close in the two to form the bust stop, the last bust stop of my parts. Then continue installing your crochet braid. So guys, if you're interested in getting this hair, you can send me a DM on my Instagram page. I'll contact you if you're in Nigeria only. For now, if you're in Nigeria, I can send this hair to you based on your request. So just find me on Instagram and connect with me and send a message. Or you can send a message via my Facebook page. The link to my Facebook page is all on the description there. So this happens sometimes. You hurt yourself while you're installing your hair. So yeah, we've gotten to the middle of the hair. I want you to have a close look of the side. So I literally just zoom the camera to enable you see what I'm doing. I'm trying to also put a stop to my mid parts by closing the two weaving using one crochet braid. That's it. You can see. So that's just it. Because when I'm styling my hair, I don't want the middle to go all the way to the back, because it's a straight weaving all the way to the back. It stretches all the way to the back. So I need to close up the space. That's why I did this. But if your hair is still very, very fresh and new, it might really hurt you. I had to leave this weaving after braiding. It was super tight. So I left it for like 5 days before doing this installation. When you braid your hair, make sure it's not too tight so it doesn't hurt you. The weaving doesn't need to be too strong because you're installing with the weaving, so you need to be able to pass your pin through your weaving without hurting yourself. So this is a close look of how to install your crochet braid. Like I said, it is super easy. Just tell yourself you can do it and you will. So we're done with this video. We're done with the installation rather. Done with the installation. This is what
Like
I look like.
and share my video. Okay, thank you again for watching. Thank you for taking the time to go through this video. I hope you watched the complete video. Don't forget again to subscribe. Join my family. Join my community. It is absolutely free without charge. Free. I'll see you in my next video. I put links down on how you can reach me on my social media. It's all there. And also, please watch my previous videos. The links are all down there. And I'll see you in my next video, okay? Stay safe, okay? Stay very safe. I love you all.